What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can turn off sensitive content on Twitter. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to go to on your Twitter app just like this. Open up your, this is the new X app, the old Twitter app. After opening the Twitter, you have to click on your profile icon just like this. After clicking on profile, you can see here is an option called settings and support. You have to click on settings and support. Then you can see here is called settings and privacy option. Here you have to click on it. After clicking on this option, you can see there is a bunch of options here. What you have to do, you have to click on privacy and safety option in here. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after doing so, what you need to do, you have to click on this option, content you see, just like this. After clicking on this option, you have to turn this option on just like this. Display media that may contain sensitive content. After turning this on, you are ready to go. Now you can see sensitive contents on Twitter. So this is how you can turn off sensitive content setting on Twitter app. So I hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.